Okay, so today, what I would like for us to do is practice what I practiced today in yoga. So it's very simple. Whoa, whoa. Oh, my knees. Okay, so all we're going to do is please sit cross-legged. Sit up straight. Embody that brilliance within you. Sit up straight. And all I would like for us to do is bring your hands up to here. And for 10 minutes, we are going to repeat the mantra, I am radiance. So we're going to move. I am radiance. I am radiance. And move, just be gentle with it. If you've never done this exercise before, just be gentle with it. Just move slowly. I am radiance. I am radiance. And just move. I am radiance. Okay? You want to make sure that you hold your core in. Core muscles in. Shoulders back. Hands close to the ears. And just move your body. Just feel what it feels like to move your core, to move energy as your body. Okay? I am radiance. 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 You can close your eyes. If you want to close your eyes, lift your eyes as you close them, lift them to the center of your forehead and keep moving. I am radiance. 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 I am love. I am love. I am love. I am love. I am peace. I am peace. I am peace. I am joy. I am joy. I am safe. 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 I am radiance. Come back to the center, open up your eyes. That was 4 minutes. How do you feel? What you experienced and what you participated in is awareness expansion. For the past hour and 15 minutes, you have been looking at me. Focus. what we did was increase our awareness by moving from one side to the other, from one side to the other, expanding our awareness while engaging in an I am consciousness. So we were engaging the body temple and we were engaging our brain while speaking truth into our electromagnetic field. That is power. Because most of the time when we are sitting, we are thinking about the ugliness of the world, the problems of the world, my problems, that problem, and we're focused. There is no expansion of awareness. So when you decide to speak truth, which truth comes from within, I am radiance. And you expand that awareness of radiance throughout your whole electromagnetic field. You encase yourself in the truth of what you truly are, radiance. I am love. So let's try this with the hands. I am love. I am radiance. I am love. I am radiance. I am love. I am radiance. I am peace. 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 Yes, that exercise just lowered your shoulders, because as you were moving your hands, you were engaged with your chest muscles. You were engaged with your shoulders and the back of your spine, the back of your spine, your spine, your shoulders. So with engaging with that exercise, you lowered your shoulders, spoke truth from within you, and moved that energy of truth across your electromagnetic field. And breathed and brought it right back and breathed it out again. How often do we say to ourselves, I am love? Not very often. So today you are learning simple exercise. 4 minutes, 5 minutes. It increases upper strength. It allows you to sit up straight because you can't slouch and move. You can't. So you sit up straight. Increase your awareness from focused to circular movement of the spine, core, while speaking truth from within to your electromagnetic field. So when anybody meets you, already your electromagnetic field is filled with truth of your being. I am love. So when you meet somebody or someone comes close to you with anger and war and fear thoughts, they are already met with love. Because the love came from within and you vibrated that love out into your electromagnetic field. So when people come with their angers, they are met with incredible amount of peace and joy and ecstasy from within you. Yes? So let's practice again. Yeah, let's stick to, I was going to do 3 practices. Let's do one more practice, okay? So that I can give you 3 practices and then we'll practice them for the next 5 minutes. So the next practice is just clearing the noise. So all you do is you take your hands, you put them right closer to your ears. You close your eyes, you lift your eyes all the way up to your third eye, the center of your forehead, and you just sit up. You sit up straight, of course. Sit up straight, of course. And you just start moving your hands. Just do it. I invite you. Go ahead, do it. You don't even need to say anything. Just keep breathing. I am clarity. Please repeat after me. I am clarity. I am clarity. I am clarity. I am clarity. You can even move your hands in front of your face. So if you want to open up your eyes and just look at what I'm doing, just move your hands in front of your face. Interrupt the energy of fog. I am clarity. I am wholeness. I am clarity. I am wholeness. I am clarity. I am wholeness. I am wholeness. Taking a deep breath in through the nose. Putting 2 fingers on your shoulders. Drop the shoulders and exhale. Good. Very good. Please keep the eyes closed and gently just breathe. Feel the energy around you as clarity. Just sense what's happening around your ears. Around your face. Are there any sensations Just feel. If you have challenges with overthinking, if you have challenges with being able to tap into the energy of curiosity, these few exercises are perfect for this. You can start with the exercise for overthinking. Just move the energy around your ears. Just move that energy over your face, and sit for a few minutes and just sense. And then after that, move your core and allow yourself to expand your awareness as you breathe and speak truth about yourself from within your own being, because truly this is who and what you are. And when the body is in movement, the universe conspires to meet you in that same place of movement. When the body is in movement and the mouth is speaking truth, because it comes from within, life opens up. Because now you're participating with life instead of fighting life. Participate with life. Move in the flow of your truth, your love, your ecstasy, your joy, your peace, your greatness. Let's take a deep breath in through the nose. And as you place your 2 fingers on your shoulders, breathe out. Good. Thank you so much. You can open up your eyes now if your eyes were closed. Thank you so much for joining me. What a great day. What a great day. We helped each other with overthinking, with expanding awareness. We did quite a lot. The body temple is where the magic happens. Get into your body. Love your body. Love your body. Honor your body. It's where the magic happens. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you. I love you. I love you. I forgot to tell you I love you.